Government officials have condemned bogus information regarding COVID-19 protocol changes which are making the rounds on social media. The public is advised to disregard questionable digital flyers depicting COVID-19 protocol adjustments, particularly the curfew hours. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force has also urged the public to refrain from circulating the fake social media flyers, noting that no adjustments have been made to protocols. Senior Communications Officer in the Office of the Prime Minister, Nicole MacDonald, implored citizens to get COVID-19 related information from official sources.
We want people to be mindful of the fake posters that are going around. One in particular which states that boat rides and FETs are going to be open from next week. Official correspondence on any changes of the protocols will come through the Office of the Prime Minister or the relevant ministry dealing with the specific sectors. So we want to just encourage the public to keep getting your information from the official sources of information. Keep turning to our local media for that information as opposed to the flyers that are going around which are not coming from official sources. We oftentimes post things on the Office of the Prime Minister pages, on the Ministry of Health pages, on the Government of St. Lucia pages. These are official pages on Facebook, on other social media, which you can turn to for the factual information.
The public is reminded that curfew hours are still run from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. daily in keeping with SI number 42 of 2021. Boat tours are still prohibited.
On the particular issue of boat tours and attractions, the command center has been in discussion with operators, and official correspondence on any changes would go through the ministry responsible to those boat owners, and nothing has been sent out as yet. So what you're seeing out there in terms of a flyer is not official correspondence. I think most of our boat owners and our persons who are doing tours and attractions know that they must liaise with the ministry responsible for tourism on any changes in protocols, and that would come through the official channels.
The issue of information disorder predates the pandemic but has been magnified during the ongoing global crisis. MacDonald indicates that the trend in St. Lucia also appears more acute at this point in time.
We must remember too the season we are in, and there are a lot of mischief makers out there who are trying to mislead the public. Over the last few years, we have been dealing with several fake accounts in the names of our ministers of government, in the name of our Prime Minister, and we have often had to come out to explain to people that at no time will a minister of government request from you online your personal information, any banking information, or offer you scholarships online. So you need to be careful in this social media age of people purporting to be other people or taking over people's profiles in order to get information from you. And just make sure you know what the official sources are before you share any of that information. You know, the age we are in, we have to guard our personal information very jealously.
The most recent major adjustment to the COVID-19 protocols were made last week with the reinstatement of liquor licenses and the limited indoor dining between the hours of 11 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.